Hey, this is Matt from Gravity Whiz. Today we are learning how to simplify the address entry experience in Gravity Forms by adding an address search using Gravity Perks Address Autocomplete. The first thing we need to do is ensure GP Address Autocomplete is installed and activated in Spellbook. Now that's done, we need to head over to our Gravity Forms settings and click on the Autocomplete tab. Here we need to enter our Google API key and click Save Settings. If you don't already have a Google API key, check out our handy setup guide, which walks through everything you need to do to get the key. We can now head over to our form. In this example, we have a Wizarding Supplies order form, which includes this field to capture the shipping address. It works fine, but our customers currently need to manually enter their address. This takes time, adds friction, and also risks mistakes, which can result in incorrect addresses. To resolve that, on the address field, we just need to scroll down to the Perks tab and enable Google Address Autocomplete. That's all there is to it. Let's save the form and preview it to see how it works. Now when we start typing into the address field, we get a list of autocomplete suggestions from Google Maps. Selecting one of the suggestions autocompletes the field. If any of the address data needs modifying, we can manually override it. We can also manually enter an address if it's not found by Google, which is handy for new addresses that aren't on Google yet. I hope this video has been helpful in learning how to simplify the address entry experience using Gravity Perks Address Autocomplete. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please reach out to support, where one of our support wizards will be more than happy to help.